The National Weather Service in Milwaukee has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Sauk County in south central Wisconsin, western Columbia County in south central Wisconsin, Marquette County in south central Wisconsin, until 11:45 p.m. At 10:53 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Wisconsin Dells, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Baraboo, Portage, Wisconsin, Dells, Lake Wisconsin, Lake Dalton, Montello, West Baraboo, Westfield, Lawrence, Patwaukee, Oxford, Endeavor, Nishquoro, Merrimack, Springfield Corners, Devil's Lake St. Park, Briggsville, Glen Oak and Harrisville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.